Hey, I'm going to share this quick tutorial with you about how to access one Mac from another Mac on a separate network, meaning you're not in the same building and you want to connect via the internet. I have spent hours on this trying to make this work, and there's a little trick to it. First of all, let me tell you this. Do not buy Apple's remote desktop. It's not worth it. I spent hours trying to get it to work, more hours trying to get them to refund my money. This Chrome remote desktop is where you want to go. This is a free application. You have to be on the Chrome browser to use it, but if you Google it, you'll find it. Mine says Launch App right now. You'll have to download the desktop version of this on both Macs. You want to do, I'm using a Mac Pro and then a MacBook Pro that I'm going to remote access from. Once you download it, you can click Launch App. Now, there's a tricky little situation that I want to show you here. If you go to your preferences and do System Preferences and then Security and Privacy. But if you go down to this application here, Org, Chromium, Chromatine, whatever it is, you have to unlock your application first. I'll go ahead and do that. And once you unlock it, this will not be selected. You'll select it and then hit back, and it'll ask you if you want to save it. You got to do that or you're not going to be able to access your other platform. And once you have all that set up, all you got to do is launch your app. It will have asked you in the setup process to set up a code, a PIN, which obviously can only be numbers. It says characters when you're setting it up, but it can only be numbers. And here we go. This is my other device. Now, if you get in here and you realize that you can't move around and click on things, it's because you haven't done the step where you give the computer access. And there's one final step that you need to take. You need to go out to this URL, which I'll put in the description of the video, and download Screens Connect for the device that you're trying to access remotely. So if it's a computer that you keep at the house, put it on the computer that you're trying to access, not the one you're accessing from. But you'll go in here and you'll set this up. And once it's set up, it's pretty safe. You just need to go in here and adjust these settings the way that you like them. And then it'll work like a charm. That's it.